Equate Honey Cough Drops with Menthol, 30 count. Product details. Menthol-Cough Suppressant. Oral anesthetic uses temporarily relieves cough as may occur with a cold. Occasional minor irritation and sore throat. Drug facts. Active ingredient in each drop. Purpose. Menthol 2. 7 milligrams, cough suppressant, oral anesthetic. Ease the pain of sore throat and cough with Equate Honey Cough Drops. These sweet, soothing cough drops are formulated to provide temporary relief from sore throats and cough anytime symptoms strike. The cough drops are made with 7 milligrams of menthol to help cool down throat inflammation from a common cold, dry air, flu, allergies and more. The menthol also works as an oral anesthetic to lessen coughing while easing your throat. These drops are flavored with honey to bring a touch of sweetness along with relieving the dry, scratching feeling from sore throats and coughing. Each container comes with 30 individually wrapped drops to help keep you well prepared when symptoms arise. Use Equate Honey Cough Drops and get the relief you need and start feeling better today. Cough drops. 2.7 milligrams menthol in each drop. 30 drops per container. Temporarily relieves sore throat and suppresses coughing. Made with honey. Compare active ingredients to pricier brands. Directions. Dosage. Directions. Adults and children 5 years and over, allow 2 drops to dissolve slowly in mouth, 1 at a time. May be repeated every 2 hours as necessary or as directed by a doctor. Children under 5 years, ask a doctor. Instructions. 1. Tear a long strip *2. Separate to open *3. Press to reclose.